DMRC exam. We will talk about the exam pattern for assistant manager, technical plus non-technical, junior engineers, station controller operator, and CRA. Basically, DMRC exam consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Both the paper are MCQ, multiple choice question. There is no subjective paper. And in paper 1 there are 120 questions and you will be allotted 90 minutes to attempt 120 questions. And paper 2 you have 60 questions and 45 minutes. I will talk about paper 1 basically consists of 45 questions of non-technical and 75 questions of technical. Technical basically related to your subject. What is your technical subject? If you are from electrical engineering, then you will get question from electrical engineering. If you are from electronics, then electronics question will come. If you are from mechanical, then questions from mechanical engineering will come. Similarly, for if you talk about SCTO, then question basically consist of physics, chemistry and mathematics. Now if I will talk about non-technical section, there are 45 questions and it basically consists of questions from reasoning or logical ability and questions from quantitative aptitude and question from general awareness. General awareness basically in this section question basically consists of question comes from politics, economics, history, geography and from current affairs. In DMRC exam 15 to 20 questions come from general awareness, so do not ignore this section. If you want to know more details about these exam patterns and how to prepare for that, you can go to our website www.SharePedia.org. Now we have talked about paper 1, now talk about paper 2. Paper 2 basically consists of 60 questions and we have 45 minutes to complete these 60 questions. And in paper 2, it is basically an English paper. And this questions from English language will be asked. Mainly questions comes from comprehension passage, clause test, the interactive passive voice, indirect direct narration, and then antonyms, synonyms, sentence correction, sentence para jumble. These are the questions which mainly comes in paper 2. Now we have talked about exam pattern of DMRC exam. This is the exam pattern for post assistant manager, junior engineer and station controller, train operator, and as well for CRA. Now some important points to remember for this exam. Let's talk about the important points to remember for the exam pattern. As I have already told you that paper 1 is considered only for 60 marks, paper 2 is considered only for 15 marks. So whatever you will score in paper 1 will be considered out of 60 marks, whatever you will score in paper 2 will be considered 15 marks and 25 marks for interview. So total comes to 75 plus 25, that is equal to 100. So final merit list will be prepared from 100 marks. This is all about the marking schemes of DMRC 2016 exam. Now let's move to what is the selection procedure and salary structure of various posts advertised in DMRC exams.